An old buddy will trim the blood somewhere far away from me regardless of how it arrived. Sally is another companion who just went through something like one circle of misery with me. We're remaining in my restroom after I've washed my hair and body without precedent for 48 hours, while sticking to the handrails. Difficult, yet important. The rear of my hair is loaded with dried blood. I'm on torment pills, and Sally is concerned I'll fall. Assuming I welcomed her into the shower, she would have come in and washed my hair for me. That is the means by which great a companion she is. Nonetheless, as you probably are aware in the event that you've perused my work compass after I broke the 2 lower legs last year, I'm an autonomous lady who figures she can do anything, and a few things 2 times. I utilize the hand not sticking to the handrail to wash my hair 2 times and condition it 2 times. However, I actually feel solidified bunches of hair at the rear of my neck. I enclose myself by a towel, and Sally comes in to examine my hair. Despite my brave endeavors to clean it out, she detects the hardened clusters of hair and starts to spot at them with a wash material. The material leaves away horrendous various times. The hair isn't getting any gentler. At long last, I give her the scissors and solicitation she trim out all clusters of hair hardened with blood. Perhaps I'm off base. Yet a couple of missing lumps are less observable than solid, ridiculous hair. Did I specify she is another companion? We've known one another under a year, but when I told her and 2 different companions of our own that I was accomplishing something that would need support thereafter, they generally chipped in. They are each supporting and steadfast in their own specific manners. Shirley once drove 45 minutes to present to me her custom-made soup when I was debilitated. Suzanne sweet, caring nature brought the 4 of us together. Sally, however, was the sensible individual, as she was a devotee to my specific decision. The others had no judgment about it. They simply hadn't encountered anything like it. Since I was causing this harm for myself, I figured it a smart thought to have somebody help who didn't think I'd totally flipped out. In spite of the fact that, since she was consigned to trimming blood somewhere far away from me, it's begging to be proven wrong who has lost whose psyche. What was this hazardous action that brought about a head brimming with blood? I had a lower facelift. It required 6 hours. Also, as per the plastic specialist, I drained a ton. The proof upheld her perception. I had blood in my hair and blood in my ears. Luckily, I additionally had Sally. Thank the plastic divine beings that I just had a lower facelift done, and not the entire face. Sally and I may very well never have gotten all the blood out,